Hi everyone, thank you for joining us at Chipotle Electrical and Electronic Solutions. Today we are calibrating a machine after repairs. This one is XM-18D Humidity and Temperature Controller of an incubator, hatcher, brooder, wherever you can use it. Using this Xiaomi machine, this one small one. It is battery powered and we consider it calibrated. So we are using the Xiaomi to obtain the information if the XM-18D is within range. Since it has been repaired, at times there will be a deviation in readings. So we want to check that before dispatching to our customers. If we look at the XM-18D controller, we have got 24.1 degrees, and on the Xiaomi machine is about 24.5. If we look at the XM-18D controller, we have got 61% humidity, and on the Xiaomi it's about 63%. Calibration takes about 2 hours, but when the machine is being tested, we make sure that it conforms to certain parameters, certain minimum standards. So for now, if we look at the readings, we will see that the Xiaomi machine and the XM-18D is within range. So we believe that our customers will get the best out of our services after repairs. There is no return. Why? Because we have tested our repairing procedures, whether conforming to certain standards. So our minimum standard is to calibrate the machine before dispatching it to our intended customers. We try to be the best of our best, whereby by employing minimum standards. So one of them is to make sure that the machine is fully calibrated. If it is not within those parameters, either we will rework on it or we'll advise the customer accordingly to buy another one that is for replacement. In this repair, I consider it a successful repair because we are obtaining values or readings that are within the 5% range permissible. I thank you. Like, subscribe and share so that many people will know about us as Chipotle Electrical and Electronic Solutions. I thank you.